everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today's video is just going to be a back to school clothing haul. And this is stuff that I've been collecting throughout the entire summer and not all bought at once. And as always, I will have as many of the products listed in the description box for you guys in case you are interested in purchasing any of them. And if I can't find the exact item, I will try to find a similar one. So if you click on a link and it doesn't go directly to a page that you were expecting, that is why. And without further ado, let's get started. First off, we are going to start off with Tractor Supply Company, and I'm not sure if every one of you guys has one of those in your area, but up here in Maine, they are found all over, and the name suggests that it's like a tractor and supply company, but they actually have a wide variety of clothing, and their clothes are adorable. I absolutely love them, and this is the first item I got. It is just a green and white striped short sleeve top that I actually featured in my outfits of the week for my first week of school, and the brand for this one is just Olivia Sky. I love how soft it is. I think it's cute, and I don't have a lot of green in my closet, so when I saw it, I definitely wanted to get it. It's also one of those shirts that's nice enough to wear with jeans or dress it up with a skirt. I also got 6 other shirts. So starting with the Tantrums brand items, I have this blush pink top, and it has embroidery on the top. It is kind of like a peplum top, and I've been wearing it a ton recently. From the same line, I have this navy blue chiffon and lace top, and the sleeves aren't short sleeve, but they aren't 3/4 sleeve. I don't know what you would consider them. The only thing I hate about it is that it is see-through right here, so like you can see your bra strap and stuff. But other than that, it isn't see-through, and it's pretty cute, and I like that it is plain. And lastly, from the Tantrums line is probably one of my new favorite shirts, and this is just what it looks like. It's just a cream chiffon 3/4 length top, and this is the cutest shirt, and it looks so good with white pants, which I actually wore for one of my outfits for school. And I saw this shirt and I had to have it, and it is just adorable, and I really want to go back and try to find more. From the Como Vintage line, I just have 2 shirts. This is the first one. It is just navy blue with flowers. If you guys can't tell, I definitely like floral patterns. And again, this is like a peplum top, and it also has the peasant sleeves. I'm not sure if that's the correct name. And this can be worn off the shoulder or on the shoulder. It doesn't matter. It has a nice tight elastic, so if you wear it just on your shoulders, it looks fine. It doesn't look weird, but you can also wear it off the shoulder. And then from the same line, I just have this black chiffon long sleeve top, and this is really great with leggings. And then the top has roses embroidered into it, and the neckline is just embroidered as well. And then it just has the crisscross in the front, and it is just long sleeve, and this looks great with leggings, and it covers your butt, which is nice. And then lastly, from Tractor Supply, I have a open cardigan from the Bit and Bridle line, and this is just what it looks like. It is just black. I've been really into the whole open cardigans recently because I hate buttoning them up because I do have a bigger bust, and I didn't have a plain black one. I only had a cream one and a knit one, which I will be showing you. And so I saw this, and it was on sale, and I'm very happy I got it. And I did see a bunch of other colors, so I really want to go back and get more. My next stop, of course, was Marshall's, which is one of my absolute favorite stores to shop at. And I scored a pair of shoes, and this is just what they look like. They are just imitation Birkenstocks, and they are rose gold and glittery. And I've been wearing these most of the summer, but they were originally intended for back to school. And they are by the brand Madden Girl, which is part of the Steve Madden line. And I think I got these on sale at the beginning of summer for like $10, and it was like the biggest score ever. I also found 2 pairs of bottoms. The first are a pair of shorts, and they're actually by Lily Pulitzer, and I scored them at Marshall's for I think $25, and this is just what they look like. It's hard to see them on camera because they are so bright and white, but these are just the Lily Pulitzer Walsh shorts, and I'm not sure if they sell them anymore or not, but the closest ones I could find a link to were the Buttercup shorts, and they are scalloped on the bottom, which I love and think it's so cute. And from the brand Bandolino, I got a pair of white capris, and these are the Celine style, and I just think they're so cute. I've never up until this point had white bottoms of any sort, and now that I have them, I've been wearing them all the time. They look so good with almost anything. I also got 3 tops and a sweater. The first one is just a tank top, and I have the bralette that I wear under it, and it is just a backless tank top that I wore for one of my outfits of the week for school, and it is just black with flowers on it, and this is by the brand Don't Ask Why. I got this top, which is by the brand Finn and Grace, and it's just a chiffon burgundy floral top, but it's one of those shirts that's dressy enough that I can wear it for school and still look presentable, and it's not see-through. I was really really worried that it was going to be see-through, but I can wear a bra under this no problem without having to wear a tank top and you can't see it. And lastly from Marshalls, I just got a open knit cardigan, and it is just a cream color, and it is by the brand Pink Republic, and it just looks like this. Like I said earlier, I don't like button-up cardigans because I do have a bigger bust and can't button them anyways, so whenever I find open cardigans that I really like, I usually tend to get them, and I just thought this one would be really cute for this fall and winter, and also really warm. Next up we have Express, which I'd never actually been to, and I found an outlet and I scored big at one of their huge sales, and each of these items that I'm going to be showing you I got for $4.99 each, which is pretty crazy considering two of the shirts I am going to be showing you guys retailed for $48. I also got a pair of bottoms, and they just look like this. They are just a pair of black shorts with pink and red flowers on them, and they are really flowy, and they have a stretchy waistband, and they are just super duper cute and comfortable. I got this purple tank top, and it's just really strappy in the back and flowy, and I figured this would be something that would be good and simple to throw on with a sweater. And then I just have two of the same shirt. The first one is just a blush pink, and this is one of those off the shoulder tops, and then underneath it, it has this like ribbed shelf, so you do not have to wear a bra with it, which is nice, and I can wear this perfectly without any issues. And this is another item that looks bomb with my white pants from Marshalls, and I loved it just so much that I actually went back and got it in this blue and white pinstripe pattern. And again, I think this will look really great with black leggings or my white pants. Next up from Victoria's Secret Pink, I just got two things. I got one of their quarter zip polar fleeces, and mine is just in black, and I actually got this back in the spring, I believe, during one of their huge sales, and I scored it for $30, but I did want to include it in this because I have been saving it for back to school because I think it'll be great for this fall. And I also got a pair of leggings that were on sale for like $3.99, and they are just the gray flat-waisted leggings, and you can never have too many pairs of leggings, so I just thought it was a great deal. I couldn't pass it up and got them. From Forever 21, I just got one item, which is really surprising because normally I spend a lot of money there, and I just got this t-shirt dress, and it is just a navy blue with white stripes. If you've been on my channel a while, you guys know I love navy blue and white stripes, as well as navy blue with white polka dots, and it's just super cute. It is the perfect length. It isn't heavy weight, which is nice because you can actually wear it when it's still hot out. I got my first ever item from Vineyard Vines. I just got one of their Shep shirts. I've been wanting one of these for forever, and I actually stumbled upon an outlet while I was shopping and got it. It is actually from the kids section, so it was even cheaper, and it still fits perfectly, and this is in the print School of Wales. I think it's an adorable print, and I'm really excited to wear it this fall. I also have two items from American Eagle, and they are both tops. The first one is just a tank top, and it just is like a black charcoal grayish color with flowers on it, and it has this like strappy detailing, and this looks super cute with leggings. And I also got a long sleeve shirt. This is part of their Soft and Sexy line, and I actually have this in the tank top version, and when I saw it I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it in long sleeve because it is honestly the softest material ever. It is so comfortable, and I also have been really digging this plum color. It's not so much a burgundy, but it's not a purple. It's like a plummy color. The last two clothing items I have are both shirts from Ivory Ella. If you guys didn't know, Ivory Ella is a great brand that donates some of their proceeds from what they make off of you buying stuff from their website towards helping to end the poaching of elephants, because if you guys didn't know, elephants are poached for their tusks because their tusks are made of ivory, which ivory sells for a lot of money. And so by buying stuff off Ivory Ella, you are helping to save the elephants. I've partnered up with them many times before, and I love working with them, and so I got to work with them once again, and I just have two shirts from them. This first one is a very similar color to the American Eagle top I have, and this is just the Ivory Ella Fit Tee, and it is in the purple rosemail print, which if you guys are OG subscribers, you guys know that I have the rosemail print leggings from Ivory Ella. So I am super duper excited that I now have the matching top to them and can wear them together, and it is going to be adorable. It may look like I'm wearing pajamas, but in fact I am not. They are leggings and a matching shirt. And I don't own any of their fit tees. I only have the classic long sleeve ones, and then I have one classic short sleeve one, and I'm just super duper excited to rock this around campus, and be on the lookout for it on my Instagram and other social media. And then I just also have one of the Ivory Ella classic tees, and this one is obviously navy blue and white, and the back is just a navy blue and white paisley print. And like I've mentioned, I love navy blue and white. I think they go great together, and these are really great shirts for the fall and winter to just throw on with like a vest or something and a pair of leggings or a pair of jeans and wear, and they are super duper cute. Not to mention the fact that you are helping to save elephants. Lastly, I got 2 outerwear items. The first is a pair of sneakers, and these are just from Walmart, and I paid like $5 for them, and they are burgundy. And these are what I wore with the navy blue and white striped t-shirt dress from Forever 21, and they looked super cute together. And these are kind of like a ked style sneakers, so they look really cute with skirts and dresses, as well as with jeans and shorts, and they are really cushiony on the bottom, which is nice. And the last item I have to show you is a coat that I got from Sam's Club on sale for $7. I had been looking at it all spring, and then finally at the beginning of the summer they had them all on sale, and I made it just in time to get the last one in my size. And it is just a shell coat, which if you guys don't know, it means that it's not like thickly lined, but it is lined enough, and it is an all-weather coat, so you can wear it in the snow, the rain, you name it. It is perfect, and it is just a heathered gray print, and it is by the brand Free Country, I believe. And so I think this is going to be perfect for this fall and spring, especially on rainy days, because it is a warmer version of a raincoat. So that is just my haul for the back to school season. As you guys can see, I got plenty of tops and not a lot of bottoms. I definitely have a harder time finding bottoms, but the good thing is that leggings and jeans can be worn more than once. If you guys like this video and would like to see more fashion related videos here on my channel, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week, and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Pack Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!